Craig Beals is here from Billings Senior High. What are you teaching us about today, Craig?
Hey, we're going to do a little bit with smoke detectors.
Great.
And how they work, because do either of you know how they work?
I really don't know how a smoke detector works.
They detect smoke.
Yes,
And then
they do. That's the outcome.
Okay.
One of the things I'd never really thought of is how do they work, but
Right.
it's really cool. It actually works on nuclear radiation, for real. But before we do that, because this is science class, we're going to have one of you start a fire right in here.
Of course.
All right? And then just
she's
drop
backing off.
I trust Ed more than I trust myself
Okay.
with these kinds of
a
things.
little bit of a breeze. We always have trouble starting fires in your studio,
Okay.
which you
That
don't think
vent
is
is
probably
right
a bad
overhead.
thing. So the whole idea, you go in there.
Okay.
That'll go out pretty quickly. I'm going to set this over the top.
Okay.
And hopefully everybody's heard a fire alarm before,
Yeah.
because you test them frequently. Isn't that what they say?
That's right.
So we'll put that over the top. The fire will go out. And then what's going to happen is the smoke particles are going to come up and interfere with the receptor inside of here. But one thing I never really thought about was, how is it working, right?
What goes on
So I'm going to give
inside?
you each one of those. One of you can be right hand, one of you can be
Okay.
left hand.
I'll
It doesn't really
I'll be
matter.
left.
But as I mentioned, it works on nuclear radiation. So this is an element that was discovered back during when they were trying to build the atomic bomb. And the element's called americium. So americium is radioactive, and it sends off particles. It sends off alpha particles. And what's inside of here is a chunk of americium, which is what I've got here. So if you'll hold your hand out, like that, and I'm going to flip it over. So I'm not using a glove. I'm just, that's really for show, because the americium is not, it can't even go through your skin, not the americium, the alpha particles.
Okay.
So that little tiny piece, I don't know if you can see it in the middle, right there, that little dot is man-made americium, named after, what does it sound like?
It sounds like the person with the bad disposition on The Apprentice, Omarosa, but I'm sure that has nothing to do with it.
A little before her time.
Yeah. America, named after America.
Okay.
So anyway, I'm gonna grab this just because
Okay.
really it won't go through your skin. That little dot right there, what happens is it's sending alpha particles, which are 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So
Okay.
we are going to learn something today, right? 2 protons and 2 neutrons. It's decaying rapidly over time, but naturally. This detects radiation.
Okay.
So this is a little tiny Geiger counter. Inside of that, you've got, I don't know if you guys can hear it over here. I don't know if they can hear it at home. That's
Yeah.
showing just, I'll flip it
off.
this way. So you can hear it just going crazy.
Right.
Yeah.
So those are the radioactive particles streaming out of this thing into the sensor.
Wow.
Now the smoke detector, which we didn't get enough smoke to make it go off, what happens is the smoke gets in between that sensor and the radioactive particle.
Oh.
And it's a little more complicated than I'm going to explain, but basically what it does is the smoke gets in there, it no longer hears the screaming sound. So it says, we've got a problem. We've got a fire. And it sends a signal to the speaker and makes a loud noise. So oftentimes we vilify radiation, nuclear radiation, but of course it's used
In this
in,
case, it's helping us.
cancer and other things, and everybody's got these in their home. And man-made nuclear radiation is saving a lot of lives. You are getting some radiation in your home from this, but over the course of the year, it's less than eating 1 banana.
Really?
Very
so,
small amount.
You know, it's no reason to take the smoke detectors out of your house because you're worried about radiation.
Should we be concerned that things kind of randomly go?
This one? Oh, well, yeah, okay.
Oh,
I
okay.
saw we hit time, but
you're
I was
good.
showing Ed this earlier. I brought this in because at senior high, we're an old school, and probably back in the 60s, one of the teachers bought this. This is radioactive carnotite,
boy.
which is uranium ore. They get uranium from it. So there'll be particles sneaking out of this every once in a while.
Oh, boy.
But the particles sneaking out of this are not safe, generally.
Okay.
That's
We're going to leave that one sealed
that's
up.
beta and gamma
Okay.
particles. So that'll go back to the, to the steel container.
Yeah. Great idea there. Well, Craig, thank you so much. This was fun.
Yeah,
Now we
check
know
your
how
smoke.
Smoke detectors work.
Yeah, check your batteries.
All right. Good call. Well,